Configuring autoscaling on SQL Database is a crucial step in ensuring your database performance and availability. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of configuring autoscaling on SQL Database. First, it is essential to understand the concept of autoscaling. Autoscaling allows you to automatically adjust the resources of your database based on demand. This means that during periods of high demand, your database will automatically scale up to handle the increased load, and during periods of low demand, it will scale down to save resources. To configure autoscaling on SQL Database, you need to follow these steps. Start by logging into the Azure portal and navigating to your SQL database. Click on the database you want to configure autoscaling for and select the scaling option. Next, you need to define the scaling rules. You can define rules based on CPU usage, connections, or other performance metrics. For example, you can set a rule to scale up when CPU usage exceeds 80% and scale down when it falls below 40%. You also need to define the scaling limits. This includes the minimum and maximum number of vCores or DTUs your database can scale to. Make sure to set these limits based on your database workload and performance requirements. Another important aspect of autoscaling is scheduling. You can schedule scaling to occur at specific times of the day or week, or you can let the system automatically scale based on demand. It is also essential to monitor your database performance and adjust the scaling rules as needed. You can use Azure Monitor to track your database performance and make adjustments to the scaling rules to ensure optimal performance. In addition to these steps, there are some best practices to keep in mind when configuring autoscaling on SQL Database. First, start with a conservative scaling approach and gradually increase the scaling limits as needed. Second, monitor your database performance regularly to ensure that the scaling rules are working as expected. Finally, test your scaling rules to ensure they are working correctly and make adjustments as needed. By following these steps and best practices, you can configure autoscaling on SQL Database to ensure optimal performance and availability. Autoscaling can help you improve your database performance, reduce costs, and improve user experience. It is an essential feature that can help you manage your database resources effectively and ensure that your database is always available and performing optimally.